video I'll show you how to knit cables without a cable needle like this. When you knit these kind of simple cables, you can just use your hands. So I'll show you how to do it. As you can see, the stitch goes this way. So we need these 2 stitches on this side. And what I'll do is I'll take the stitches off the needle. I'll hold the stitches, put these 2 stitches in front, pick up and put here. And now we made the twist in the stitches before knitting, and then you knit. Okay, so this pattern is actually made the same way, but I have 2 cables going in each direction, and this is across 12 stitches. So this one I'll make one going to the right, one going to the left. So I'll start by knitting 2 stitches, and now we have to make the cable. So again, we want these 2 stitches on the right side in front. I'll take the stitches off, pick up these ones behind, these ones in front, and put them back on. And then you can knit it. Okay, then we have the next 4 stitches, and I want these 2 stitches in front on this side. So I take off the stitches, pick the stitches up in front and in the back, and I'll put the 2 stitches on here.